Most people see herbs as just flavor enhancers, but they have been used for their healing properties for thousands of years. Beyond culinary uses, herbs can support health and well-being. Let's explore some of the top healing herbs to have in your kitchen. Basil is more than just a pizza topping. It is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Antioxidants fight free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage cells. Basil helps combat oxidative stress. Its anti-inflammatory nature can soothe irritation and swelling. Fresh basil leaves steeped in hot water make a soothing tea, perfect for relaxing after a long day. Thyme is a powerhouse of health benefits. It contains thymol, a natural antiseptic. This compound can keep minor infections at bay. Thyme tea can ease a sore throat. It also has expectorant properties. This means it helps clear mucus from the airways, essential for respiratory health, especially in cold weather. Next, let's talk about rosemary. This aromatic herb improves memory and concentration. Studies show that the scent of rosemary can enhance cognitive performance. It also stimulates circulation. This means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain. Rosemary can be added to roasted vegetables or infused in oil for cooking. A simple way to boost your mental clarity. Mint is another must-have in your herbal arsenal. It aids digestion and relieves headaches. Peppermint oil can be applied to the temples for quick headache relief. Mint tea can settle an upset stomach. It also freshens breath naturally. Chewing on fresh mint leaves is a great alternative to artificial breath mints. Now let's move on to sage. Known for its cleansing properties, sage is often used in traditional medicine. It supports oral health and soothes a sore throat. Sage tea is easy to make and very effective. Gargling with sage tea can reduce inflammation and fight bacteria in the mouth. Oregano isn't just for Italian dishes. It has potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. This makes it a natural choice for immune support. Oregano oil is highly concentrated. It can be diluted with a carrier oil and applied topically, or you can add fresh oregano to your meals for a health boost. Lemon balm is a calming herb. It reduces anxiety and promotes restful sleep. Lemon balm tea before bed can help you wind down. It also has antiviral properties, useful in fighting cold sores or cold infections. Its gentle citrusy scent is uplifting and soothing. Then there is chamomile, known for its calming effects. Chamomile tea is a classic remedy for insomnia and anxiety. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it useful for soothing skin irritations. A chamomile compress can be applied to rashes or insect bites. Lavender is not just a scent for candles. It has therapeutic benefits for stress and anxiety. Lavender oil can be diffused or used in a bath for a calming effect. It also promotes restful sleep. Placing a sachet of dried lavender under your pillow can enhance sleep quality. Finally, turmeric, known for its vibrant color and health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory. It supports joint health and boosts immunity. A pinch of turmeric in your food can go a long way. Golden milk, a blend of turmeric with milk or plant-based milk, is a soothing drink with health benefits. These herbs are not just for flavor. They bring a multitude of health benefits. Incorporating them into your daily routine can enhance your well-being. A small herb garden or a few pots on the windowsill can keep these healing herbs handy. By appreciating herbs beyond their culinary uses, you can tap into their healing properties. Having them readily available in your kitchen is a step towards a more natural and holistic lifestyle. The power of nature is right at your fingertips. Let these herbs become a part of your wellness journey.